Lightning Motors was formed in Silicon Valley, California, to create a revolution in the two-wheeler industry. Led by Richard Hatfield, a lifetime racer and electric vehicle pioneer, Lightning Motors builds high-performance, environmentally sustainable electric motorcycles. In 3 short years, Lightning Motors broke the 30-year-old motorcycle land speed record. 2 years later, they set a new world record of 218 miles per hour.
I'm sure it's capable of going 250 miles an hour plus.
In 2013, Lightning Motors competed against the world's best motorcycles in the Pikes Peak Hill Climb, one of the greatest tests of a performance vehicle's capabilities.
The International Hill Climb today at Pikes Peak is the first event that an electric vehicle has beaten the best gas bikes on an equal playing field.
Lightning Motors applied the technology perfected at the racetrack to build production bikes using agile design and manufacturing techniques. In 2015, Lightning Motors introduced the LS218, the flagship product, and the first step to build a winning brand in the market. The LS218 is the world's fastest production motorcycle.
What blows my mind is that a motorcycle that can go 218 miles an hour unsolved would be an economical choice for commuting back and forth to work and having an absolute blast on it.
In 2019, Lightning introduced the Strike with superb performance at a price point better than any electric or gasoline bike in its segment.
It blew my mind. They put all their focus into the performance and the styling, and I like that, and these guys nailed it.
In recent tests, the Lightning Strike beats comparable industry models on power, torque, and speed. Lightning's open architecture with scalable building blocks allows Lightning to rapidly develop new products.
This whole process now has opened up manufacturing where a small company can build a product that rivals the largest companies in the world.
The Lightning Spark, a small displacement electric bike designed for intra-city commuting, with exceptional performance and power for its size. The Lightning Blade. The Blade is an enclosed vehicle with the freedom of a motorcycle and the safety and comfort of a sedan. The Blade is targeted at the 115 million American ride-alone commuters.
This is much bigger than setting speed records and winning races. This is the opportunity to help the world transition to a sustainable form of transportation.
Ride the future. Join the revolution.